So, this is our 360 tour of Pub Street, Siem Reap, and we're also going to go Cheer Street, and we'll see what all we do.
And it's golden hour right now, so you've reached the perfect time to come and watch this video. Yes. Here we go, Pub Street.
All right. It's the lantern. 3 meters a second. 3 meters a second. Whew, I smell some garlic.
Remember when I was dancing with people over there? No, I couldn't.
Remember we have our Zoomer bike?
The little girl is so cute. Got fish for days and they love their feet like crazy.
Good question.
Yeah.
7? Are we
Yeah.
gonna go
We're gonna go right. And then come back and go back. Oh, great picture.
We're taking a right. I don't know what street we're on, but this is a big deal.
The Green Market, which is famous, this is a big deal.
It's a big deal. The Green Market's over there. And we just did half of Pub Street. No, we just did the entirety of Pub Street.
I know.
And we're going to go up here, take a right, and then do Cheer Street.
Yes, which is a big deal.
Yeah, so this whole area is a big deal. If you're from Dallas, it's Deep Ellum. It's not Elm Street only. You've got Maine, you've got all sorts of stuff. Even Good Latimer. It's a big deal.
You can buy.
Right.
There's delicious food you can eat. Free Wi-Fi SIM cards. Shorts that are adorable.
Supermarkets, we haven't been to that one. But we've been here almost 2 months.
Ice cream. 1-for-1 cocktails. I mean, that's a good deal anytime, anywhere.
1 for 1?
1 for 1. Buy one, get one free.
Here we go. Now
Right, here we go.
Should we go this way?
No, oh, crap.
No.
Okay.
No, police.
Yeah, right here. So now we're at All Cheer Street. Yeah. That little market stuff with the beautiful things. Ice cream rolls, pizza.
I mean, right now this place is not hopping. It'll be hopping in about an hour. Yeah.
But then we won't be able to have a good life.
No, yeah. So the purpose of being is this is what it looks like. You
Before
get to
it
see.
gets insane.
Yeah, no, it gets fun. You want to have fun? You come down here.
Yes.
You know, you want to eat like good local Khmer cuisine. You don't come here. You want to save money. You don't come here. You want to. You don't come here. You want to have a good time.
One day I would find those peanuts.
Yeah. Don't tell. on him? We haven't seen him.
Never have we seen him again. Cashmere house. What? Happiness? It's not real.
Oh, this is the alleyways. To the left, to the right. We've been both ways. To the right is Chubby's Tacos.
Really good
to the
tacos
left
down
is-
there.
Yeah.
There's good beers down there.
Yeah, are we going all the way down to the awning?
Yeah, and I think we go left and go back around to our right.
So up here we go left.
No, I was going to say the end.
Or where the traffic
Where it
is.
says night market.
Okay.
So we can pick three. Right? We're walking fast.
We're not going to Single file.
Single file. Ooh, okra.
What's today?
They have sausages, fish, dried fish, everything you want. Pancakes and banana chocolate. What the happiness is bread?
Well, we don't have time right now. No. I know what you need, but right now we're walking.
I know.
Right now we're doing the street system.
These streets in there for walking. You're gonna love Cambodia. And look, in front of us is Riverside Night Market.
Yes.
It's absolutely fantastic.
We're gonna take a left at it. It's gonna show you some stuff from it. You can consider yourself well versed in it if you just
If
follow
not,
along.
go to eyecool.
No,
We'll tell you how to eat there.
there's the moon.
Look at that moon.
We're gonna have to get on the.
Woo. You know what? My favorite thing about Cambodia?
What is?
Cambodian smiles.
Yeah.
Cambodians have the best smiles.
It's true, they do.
Oh my gosh, somebody would smell garlic.
I know.
Whatever that was, you would have loved that.
Is that Frank? No. Come on.
Alright, so I don't know what this street is.
Hey,
No, something like that.
I need you to focus.
Damn.
I need you to stay on task.
Okay. I was just trying to find the street.
Nope.
Hello!
Hey!
Yeah. Hello.
We got also
Market.
some
It's
market.
the old market.
Some market.
Love it.
You've gotten Pub Street, you've gotten Algier Street, you've gotten Market. What's not to love about, let's call it, downtown Siem Reap? It's such a treat.
Take a left here.
Okay.
That's our
Looking pretty
street.
decent.
Is this our street?
Oh. Yeah.
Maybe no. You see a 7-Eleven at the end?
Nope.
Nope. Should we turn around?
No. My love, you were on this. You had the system. You're going rogue.
Oh my gosh, I rhymed.
Okay, I don't.
We had to go up one and then the other. But that means we get more.
Well,
This is where the people that we watch on YouTube, that's where they ate all the time. Hello. How are you?
good. And you?
You wonderful, thank you. Getting sand beers. That's always good. Hello, hello.
Take it right?
Take it right.
Alright, oh. Close the loop. Looks like the loop is closed. We've already been through here.
Yeah, and then up here, you're gonna take it right at the next street. It's temple, it says. Whew, sorry.
Hey. Wow. Free pose, bathroom fee.
Buy get one free for regular size postcards.
You need a $5 poster.
No.
It's for free.
Yes, for all of our people.
Where's our motorbike? Where do we start?
Here. Right.
A little bit of a difference. 10 minutes later, you've walked with a purpose.
I know. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. The little girl's like,
There's our bike. Are you ready? Want to go to your friends?
stop?
Nope.
Here. Okay.
Yeah.
You want them all?